Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install third-party add-ons in Blender 4.2. In the latest version of Blender, extensions have been introduced, which are an online directory of open source add-ons, themes and other assets which are available to download directly within Blender. The difference between add-ons and extensions can be a little confusing, but all you need to know is that if you downloaded an add-on from the internet, for example from Blender Market, you can now install it through the Get Extensions menu. First, go to Preferences in the Edit drop-down menu, then go to Get Extensions and find the downwards arrow at the top right of the window. Select this and then click Install from Disk. You can now install your add-on as you would in previous versions of Blender by selecting the downloaded zip file. Your add-on has now been installed as an extension and can be seen under Installed. If you want to uninstall your extension again, go to the downwards arrow and select Uninstall. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.